Hello children, our chapter is sound. Now we are going to learn about audible and inaudible sound. See, we already know that vibrations produce sound, but human ear is not sensitive to vibrations of all frequencies. So, sounds that can be heard by human ears are referred to as audible sound. The range of audible sound is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz or 20 kilohertz. Sounds that cannot be heard by human ears are called inaudible sound. Any sounds having a frequency less than 20 Hz or greater than 20 kilohertz are referred to as inaudible sounds. Infrasound and ultrasound. The inaudible sounds can be divided into two categories as infrasound and ultrasound. The infrasound is the frequency which is below 20 Hz. Ultrasound is frequency above 20,000 Hz. Difference between infrasound and ultrasound. Infrasound. The sound having a frequency range below 20 Hz are called infrasound. Ultrasound. The sound waves having a frequency range above 20 kHz are called as ultrasounds. Infrasound cannot be heard by humans. Ultrasound having too high frequency, they cannot be heard by human beings as well. Animals like giraffe, rhinoceros and whales use infrasound to communicate. Bats, dogs and cats use ultrasounds to communicate. Infrasound waves are used to treat myopia in kids. Ultrasounds can be used for various purposes such as identifying abnormalities in the human body or calculating distances under the water through sonar. Dogs can hear up to the frequency of 40,000 Hz. Uses of ultrasonic vibrations in industry. Ultrasonic vibrations are used for making in dishwashing machines. Water and detergent are made to vibrate with the help of ultrasonic vibrators. Thus, vibrating detergent particles rub against the dirty utensils and clean them. Ultrasonic vibrators are used to drive rats and cockroaches away from godowns. We can make use of ultrasonic vibrations for homogenizing the milk. By use of these vibrations, larger particles of fat present in milk are broken down to smaller particles. Uses of ultrasonic vibrations in the field of medicine. Ultrasonic vibrations are used for making image of internal organs of human body, and also they can be used to study the growth of fetus in the mother's womb. Ultrasonic vibrations are given to the patients to relieve from pain in joints and muscles. Stones and kidneys can be easily broken down into fine grains by making use of ultrasounds. So these days there is no need to operate the kidney for taking out the stones. Sonar. Sonar stands for sound navigation and ranging. See, it's a device which uses ultrasonic waves to measure distance, direction and speed of underwater objects. Sonar has transmitter and a detector installed in ships. The transmitter produces the ultrasonic sound waves which travel through the water, and after striking the object in the seabed is reflected back to the detector. Answer the following questions. What is audible sound? What is inaudible sound? Refer chapter 13, page number 166. Write the differences between infrasound and ultrasound. Write the uses of ultrasonic vibrations in the field of medicine. Write the uses of ultrasonic vibrations in industry.